In this video, I'm going to show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Flip 7 FE. So first of all, in order to go to the safe mode, we need to open the power menu. I'm going to use quick settings for that over here. And now we need to press and hold our finger on the power button. And once you hold it for like a second or two, it will turn into the safe mode, so we can tap again in order to reboot our device. And this time, when it turns on, you will be in the safe mode. And there we go. As you can see, we have the safe mode visible in the bottom left corner. And we can unlock our device. Remember that if you go to the safe mode, most of apps are not available, and the airplane mode is enabled. So, in order to exit the safe mode, what you have to do is go to the power menu again, and this time we just need to restart our device. Simple as that. So reboot your device, and this time when it goes back into the normal mode, it will be, back into the normal mode. We will exit the safe mode. And you just have to remember that if you didn't turn off the airplane mode, it will still be enabled. So remember to turn it off. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.